और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।
What's your name?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course. What's your name?
Nestor.
May I know? May I know?
Nestor.
Nestor. What type of name? Nestor. Very expensive. Difficult name.
Roman.
Roman
Wait.
Ahmed.
Let me see.
Roman Ahmed.
Aman.
चुप, बिल्कुल चुप।
No.
Am I
Ahmed.
right?
Roman Ahmed.
Roman Ahmed. What district? What
Yeah.
district? What
Yeah.
district do you live?
Actually, I am having a net problem. Please tell me again. What did you say?
District. Which part do you live in Bangladesh?
Do you know Dhaka? This is the capital of Bangladesh.
I know your capital city.
Yeah.
Capital cities or your country. Yeah.
This is the capital of Bangladesh. So I was living in Dhaka in 2020, and but I still live in my hometown. My district name is Gaibandha and my city name is Gomdagons, and I still live in my hometown. So do you like traveling?
Of course, I like traveling. I have planned to come to your country.
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god.
So do you have any sibling?
Yeah,
One.
Yeah,
Brother or
only
sister?
one younger brother.
Oh, younger
समझ रहे हो समझ रहे हो आप समझ रहे हो ना
brother.
Brother.
That's good.
Yeah.
So may I know what is your main ambition? What is your future plan? It's totally same. What's your future plan?
I want to be a wife. I want to be a golf wife.
So okay. Listen to me. Right now, are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
No, I have no boyfriend. I'm single.
वाह क्या सीन है वाह क्या सीन है
Oh, that's good. I'm single. We are same. And may I know how old are you? Could you tell me your
That's
old?
what.
I guess 22.
No.
What? Okay, you guess my old.
Maybe your age is 21.
কি সাক্ষ্য প্রমাণ আছে তোমার কাছে
No. Look at me and please tell me my old. Look at me.
Maybe 19.
Actually, I'm 16 years old. 16. 16. Don't excite
Age
it.
is 16 years.
Yeah, of course.